In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Is Deferit Not Working 2025. If the app isn't behaving, don't worry. Most issues come down to a few predictable causes, and walking through them methodically usually gets you back on track quickly. First, if the app won't load or keeps crashing, start with your connection. Toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data, or switch briefly to airplane mode and back. Force close the app, then relaunch it. Make sure both the app and your device software are updated. Compatibility can change after updates. Clear the app cache if your device allows it, and check you have enough free storage. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app, then sign in again. If you're seeing a payment failed message, double check your card details, expiry date, and billing address. Confirm there are sufficient funds and that your bank isn't blocking installment or bill pay transactions. Some cards require an extra security code. If you don't complete that prompt, the payment will fail. Avoid multiple rapid retries. Wait a few minutes and try again, or switch to a different supported payment method. When a bill won't upload, confirm the file type and size meet the app's requirements. PDF, JPG, or PNG typically work best. Make sure the bill clearly shows the amount, due date, and biller details. If you're taking a photo, use good lighting, lay the bill flat, and avoid glare. Grant the app permission to access your camera or photos, and try again on a stable connection. A quick resave or scan to PDF can also resolve formatting issues. If your account appears restricted or not verified, complete identity verification in the app. Ensure your profile details, legal name, date of birth, and address match your documents. Upload clear, unedited photos of any requested ID and allow time for review. Also check for any overdue amounts. Bringing your account current can remove certain restrictions. If a feature isn't available, it may be restricted by region, biller type, or payment method. Confirm the service is supported where you are, disable any VPNs, and ensure your device location settings are accurate. Sometimes, delays are system-wide. There may be maintenance or processing backlogs. Refresh the app after a few minutes and avoid submitting duplicate payments. Enable notifications so you don't miss status updates. And if you still need help, reach out through the in-app, Help Center, or the official website. Include your device model, OS version, app version, the time the issue occurred, any error messages, and a brief description of what you tried. Screenshots help. Just make sure to hide personal details. Follow these steps in order and you'll usually find the fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got Deferit working smoothly again.